Hey guys, Mix here, and in today's video, I didn't really start an intro for this, so I'm basically just going to brief you guys about what you're about to watch. So, first off, I just did the part 2 of the last video when I went to the track for the first time this year with the RM125, so a couple things happened there. You guys will see, and then I updated you guys, which is probably going to be the title of this video, about the free pit bike build series and like what happened to that bike, because I know a lot of you guys have been wanting to know, so figured I'd just let you guys know that, but enjoy the video. The RM is going to be ridden for the first time this year. I don't know if I'm going to be hitting any jumps today. Woo! Oh yeah, oh, my mouth is so dry. I need water. I'll give you guys a little update with the NASCAR. This guy on my tail. Oh, it was that kid. So kind of seems like it's running a little bit weird. No way. I'm gonna cruise around the beginner track a little bit. Oh wow, that's right in the face. And then I'm gonna go out on the advanced track. A little cool down lap right now. Let's see what's in here. Fun little middle section. Oh my god. What the heck? Where is this water coming from? I can't see. I literally have my eyes closed right now. Oh, I think it's salt water. What the heck? Oh! I'm really just dreading going through all that water again. It is definitely salt water for some reason, because it was literally like tear gas. In my first pass. Almost lost it there. Probably should put on my goggles. Oh my god, I almost put on the handlebars. Definitely, if some of you guys know, I know obviously some of you guys know, but if some of you guys know what to do in jumps, which I know you do. Oh, thank god. Next time I might put on my goggles. Oh god, I did goggles with windshield wipers. Wow, that Pac-Man is nuts. Went into neutral. Wait, the sprinkler's off now? Alright, they might be off. I might not need my goggles. Let's see. Oh yeah, I think they're off. Yep, I need goggles. Definitely. Alright, there's a quad. Right here, up in front. Let's try and make the pass. Oh no, my throttle cable just snapped. No, worst spot too. No, no way. This is the worst spot ever to get stranded. Jeez. I do not know how I'm gonna get back. I gotta make it up this. Dang it. This thing was ripping too. I thought it blew up. Like the way it just turned off like that. Let's get this thing off the track.
Eventually,
I had to come up with a plan. Great. What I'm gonna do is raise up the idle, and I can idle it back. Alright, we're on the road. This is sketchy. I'm driving this thing with just this throttle cable. I don't know if I'm gonna make it back. This is gonna be super sketchy. Going down the hill. Gotta make it out though, especially turns too. And this water doesn't help. And my hands are already cramping. Alright, here we go. Just gotta make it past this. Oh, gotta grab it. Oh, I do not want that power band to kick in or else I will die. And best of all, there's Polaris's on the track now, the side-by-side, so yeah. Okay, I'm almost there. Final place is trying to make it up this little exit. I made it! Oh my god! Woo! Made it. Jesus. Woo! Alrighty guys, so I made it back from the literally lowest point of the track. There was no way to walk it out of there or anything, but made it out. Pretty sketchy with the throttle cable, but hey, I'm back. One piece, everything is me. Alrighty guys, so just loaded up the bike as you can see, and riding was a little bit cut short, but I got enough laps as I wanted. But shout out to the fan I just met that was at the track. Super nice to meet you. We're just gonna head home. It's not that far of a drive, but it's definitely a good bit away, so I'm just gonna make my way back there and we will unload the bike, maybe wash it off, and just talk about how it performs. So guys, the RM is all unloaded and back in the yard. I am definitely super happy how it performed today. I mean, I can't really do anything about the throttle cable snapping, but while it was running great. That little stunt I did of riding it back with just this cable was a little bit sketchy. Luckily I didn't kick into the power band or anything like that and flip this thing. But definitely for next time, I think I'm gonna bring another bike, and I might even throw a new front tire on this because it is super dry rotted around the whole thing. I really didn't have great traction at all. The rear one is still pretty good. But other than that, I mean, this thing is really has no issues whatsoever. The shifting thing could be dealt with. I mean, I don't think I need to split the cases. I don't really care about it that much. But if it was a huge bother to me, which it's not, I would split the cases again just because I kind of know what I'm doing now. But it's fine. Alrighty guys, so we were actually back here like 2 days later from what you guys last saw with the RM and riding and everything, but I know this video is a little bit short, so I figured I'd just kind of answer a question that I've been wanting to ask. I just really haven't found like a chance to put it in a video. But my most asked question is, where is the street legal pit bike build? Where is it? Did I sell it? Is it gone? It's not gone. I'm actually looking right at it, but there's a reason why I haven't had it on the channel. So here it is. It is still the exact same way of how we last left off with it, but the back tire just randomly got flat, and as you guys know, these Supermoto tires were impossible to squeeze onto there. The front one is still all good to go, but the back one just kept popping. I don't know why. But then it all started to make sense. I brought it to a shop, and he just said that the spokes were actually shooting through, and as you can see, a bunch fell off. All those holes and everything, the spokes were just shooting through, puncturing the tube over and over again. So I'm like, all right, I'll just get a new rim. For whatever reason, I cannot find a rear rim for this bike. Now, I forgot what year this is, because in NASCAR, it's been my pretty much main priority. Yeah, I don't even know what that says. It's 2000 something. I probably could see in an old video, but it's a 2000 something Honda XR70. And if you guys don't know, we were going to make this into a street legal bike and everything like that, you know, register it as like a moped or something. But I cannot find the rear rim, and the ones that are for sale are like insanely expensive. Like, I saw one for like $500. I'm not willing to spend that much on this. I mean, it's a nice bike, but I found it in the garbage, and I could probably just buy a whole nother one for $500, but I'm just gonna wait for one to just come up on the market for sale, and I'll get it for way cheaper. But if you guys do know where I can get one, then definitely let me know. This one has the drum brake and the sprocket on there, because some of them have like disc brake. I don't know, there's some ones that I've never even seen, but it still runs and everything. It does need a throttle cable, but actually I wonder if it'll start right now without a throttle cable. It really hasn't been ran in so long. So a ton of fuel just came out of the carburetor overflow, so I just turned it off, but the bowl should be filled enough for it to start up. Yeah, it's perfect. I don't know if I can really give it gas. Oh, I can. Oh God. Oh yeah. I think it is starting to burn some oil. I have started to notice that over the past couple months. So it might need a new top end pretty soon, but pretty easy to work on this engine. Lots of room too, so that shouldn't be an issue. But after the NASCAR is all done and everything, then I would definitely like to bring that back, because I know a lot of you guys like that bike, and that could be my motorcycle, I guess. Maybe do like a big bore or something on it, make it a little bit quicker. But anyway, guys, I figured I'd just let you all know that, just because this video was short, and I figured, you know, I could just throw it into perfect opportunity to, you know, inform all you guys what's going on with it. But next video, oh wait, I actually already recorded an outro, so let's go back to my past self. But actually, the part for the NASCAR, the fuel pressure regulator, actually just came in the mail, so definitely be on the lookout for a video with that coming very soon. Sorry if I was a little bit slow on the videos this week. I just waiting on that part. Really just slowed everything down, because I really know that you guys want to see it. But next video should definitely be working on the NASCAR, so be on the lookout for that. But anyway, I'm going to be ending off the video here. Follow my social medias, that will be in the outro of this video. Instagram, Snapchat I use the most. But thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, tell your friends about the channel.